Good morning everyone, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. In this video, I am going to be doing a highly requested video that is my makeup routine. And surprisingly, I only have one makeup routine that I always freaking do. Let me just say this. I am really bad at makeup and I can only master this makeup look, and the reason is I created it. So it's just so simple and it takes me like 5 minutes or like 10 minutes to get my makeup done. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my makeup routine because you guys just love the way my makeup looks on camera and like in pictures, but it's just really simple, nothing too extra, very simple. I'm also gonna show you guys all the products that I use, so if you have my skin color, you know, I could share all the products that I use and y'all could go get them, and I will talk through the entire video about like my favorite product, what I don't like, and blah 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 blah. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is how my face looks without any makeup on. I haven't even washed my face, but whatever. So this is how my face looks without makeup. I'm just gonna tie my hair. I like to keep my hair out of my face while doing my makeup because I don't want my hair to have makeup. So yeah, and I'm saving product as well. Okay, first I'm gonna start off with a moisturizer, and I use this Dr. Jart Tea Treatment Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because it just moisturizes my face, okay? And it acts as a great primer, but I only like apply very little. So I just apply like very little, just to like prime my face. So now I'm moving on to my foundation. So the foundation I use is this NYX Full Coverage Foundation. In the shade 11, it is called Cinnamon, but I also use Honey, and I also use shade 43, shade 65. So yeah, I just use them depending on like how tan I am or what makeup look I want to go for, but usually I just pick whatever like is close to me, okay? And by the way, all of my makeup brushes I'm gonna be using in this video are from Shein. So any makeup brush, not expensive, is like $5 or something. Go get them, pretty cheap. I just apply the foundation just like this, and then I start blending it in. Oh, whatever. I don't know makeup words, okay? So I'm just gonna do this. By the way, I only use makeup brushes. I do not enjoy using makeup sponges. I just feel like it doesn't blend well, or maybe I just don't know how to use it. But yeah, makeup brushes all the way. So I'm done with my foundation. Now I also used this Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the shade 330, but this one makes me look a little matte. I like for that glossy look. And I also use this MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC45, but this one also gives me a matte look, so I don't really use these much unless, you know, I'm going for something really extra. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal my under eye bags and my eyelids, because as you can see, my eyelids are a little darker, and I use this concealer as a base. So I'm using this one over here in the shade Warm Honey. This is one of my favorite concealers. It conceals all of my dark spots and eye bags and everything, and it's such a great base for my eyelids for, you know, applying eyeshadow. And then blend. So I am done with my eyelids. Now I'm just gonna blend this. Now, besides the NYX concealer, I also use this Maybelline Age Rewinder concealer, which I stopped using because I can't get this anywhere in Belarus, which is where I live, by the way. And then I also have this MAC Studio Fix concealer, which is also way too dark for me. It just gives me this matte look, which I don't like. So if I want to contour like for a huge party or something, I use this, but other than that, I don't really use it for my eye bags anymore. So yeah. Now I'm just going to top my eyelid off with some eyeshadow. I don't really know where I got this from, but I use this and it's disgusting. It's not disgusting, but like I don't really know where I got it from. I've had this for a long time. So I'm just gonna use like any shade that I'm in the mood for. So I am done with my foundation, concealer, my eyeshadow, and the last thing I do is apply lip gloss. So the lip gloss that I'm using is this lip gloss from NYX. It's called the Lingerie Gloss. I love it, and honestly this is the shit. I started wearing lip gloss like recently, and this was the only one that I actually fell in love with, and I'm definitely gonna buy more of these. Then I'm gonna have to travel back home to get this because they don't have this in Belarus. And I am done. And to lock all of these in, I use this NYX Radiant something mist, you know, to like keep my makeup. And by the way, I only use this if I'm about to go out, like a photo shoot or brunch or something like that. I don't usually wear this when I'm wearing makeup. So that's about it for my makeup look. Now I usually do wear blush or like some contour, but that is not like my usual makeup routine, and I did run out of contour and blush, so like whatever. This is my makeup routine. It's pretty simple, just foundation, concealer, eyelids, lip gloss, and that's about it. And I actually love my makeup routine because a lot of you guys think that I have tons of makeup on my face, or some people think that I don't have any makeup. I just know I'm doing it right, okay? So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this makeup look, and don't ask me for more because I have no idea. I don't have any other makeup routine. This is like the only one that I know because I do this like every single day. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys would love to see, and I would love to make them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.